Build anything with Gemini 3.1 Flash Live. Here's how Google just dropped Gemini 3.1 Flash Live, and it is wild. You talk, it builds, no keyboard, no typing, just your voice, and a full app appears. This changes everything about how we use AI, and I am going to show you exactly how it works right now. So here is what Gemini 3.1 Flash Live actually is. It is Google's newest real-time AI model, and when I say real-time, I mean it. You speak, it responds instantly, no lag, no loading, no weird pauses. It feels like talking to a real person who also happens to be the best coder on the planet. Here is what makes it different from every other AI tool you've used before. It is not just a chatbot, it is not just a code tool, it is all of it at the same time. You can give it your voice, you can show it your screen, you can point a camera at something, and it sees it, understands it, and acts on it right now, live. That is the big thing here. Most AI tools you use, you type a prompt, you wait, you get an answer, you copy it, you paste it, you fix it. That whole loop is slow. Gemini 3.1 Flash Live cuts all of that out. It is just you and the AI building together in real time. And the numbers back this up. On the Big Bench audio benchmark, it scores 95.9%. That is not just good, that is best in class for audio reasoning. So it is not just fast, it is smart and fast. There is a feature called function calling. This is the one that changes how you actually build with AI. What it means is that AI does not just talk back to you, it executes, it writes code, it runs logic, it builds apps on the fly while you are speaking. You are not giving it instructions and waiting. You are co-building with it in real time. Think about that for a second. You open Google AI Studio, you select Gemini 3.1 Flash Live, you turn on your mic, and then you just start talking. You say, build me a to-do app with dark mode and local storage, and it builds it while you watch, while you speak. That is not the future. That is right now. And look, I know what some of you are thinking. You are thinking, okay, but I am not a developer. I do not know how to code. Does this still work for me? Yes, that is the whole point. You do not need to know how to code. You just need to know what you want. You describe it, the AI builds it, you react to what it builds. You say, make that button bigger, add an animation, change the color, and it does it instantly. This is what people are calling vibe coding. You are not writing code. You are just vibing with the AI and directing it like a creative director. And here is a little secret. The people who get ahead with tools like this are not the ones who know the most code. They are the ones who know how to ask the best questions, how to direct the AI, how to get the output they actually want. That is a skill, and it is a skill you can learn fast. Now, before I keep going, back to it. So let me walk you through exactly how you would use Gemini 3.1 Flash Live to build something real, because I do not want this to just be theory. I want you to walk away from this video knowing exactly what to do. You go to Google AI Studio. It is free to access. You select Gemini 3.1 Flash Live from the model list. You turn on your microphone, and then you start with a simple prompt like this. Build me a modern web app with a clean UI, a responsive layout, and a navigation bar. Make it look good. And it goes live. You watch the code appear. You see the app take shape in real time. Then you keep going. You layer it up. You say add a to-do list where users can add and remove tasks, and it adds it. You say give it a dark mode toggle with a smooth transition. Done. You say store the tasks in local storage so they do not disappear when you refresh. Done. Every single one of those things would have taken you hours if you were doing it the old way, looking up code, copying from Stack Overflow, debugging, testing, repeat. With Gemini 3.1 Flash Live, you are doing all of it in minutes just by talking. And here is the part that really gets people. You can show it your screen. So if something does not look right, you do not have to describe it. You just say, look at this and fix the spacing here. It sees your screen. It knows what you mean. It fixes it. That is the multimodal part, voice plus vision plus action all at once. Now, here is where I want to give you the exact prompts to try this yourself, because this is the stuff that actually matters. Start with this. Say to the AI, we are building a real-time app using only voice. Create a simple modern web app with a clean UI, responsive layout, and the title voice-controlled app. Start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That is your starting point. From there, you just keep talking. Add a navigation bar with a logo and menu items. Add a to-do list where users can add and remove tasks. Make the design modern with glass morphism and smooth animations. Add a dark mode toggle. Store tasks in local storage. And when you want that wow moment, you say this. Review the entire app and improve performance, UI consistency, and user experience. Watch what happens. The AI goes through the whole thing. It finds the weak spots. It tightens everything up. And what you end up with, looks like something a professional dev team spent a week building, and you did it by talking. So, what does this mean for you? Why does this actually matter? It means the barrier to building things is basically gone now. If you have an idea, you can build it. If you have a problem in your business that needs a tool, you can build that tool. If you want a landing page, a dashboard, a calculator, a form, a tracker, anything, you can build it fast by talking. This is not about replacing developers. This is about giving everyone the ability to build. And the people who figure out how to use this well, who learn how to direct AI effectively, who build the habit of using it every day, those are the people who are going to be way ahead in the next few years. And I am not saying that to hype you up. I am saying that because it is true. And I see it happening right now with the people in our community who are already using tools like this. So here is what I want you to do. Go to Google AI Studio today. It is free. Pull up Gemini 3.1 Flash Live, use the prompts I just gave you, build something, even if it is small, even if it is just a to-do app. Get the feel for what real-time AI building actually is, because once you feel it, you will not go back to the old way. And I want to tell you about something that is going to help you use tools like Gemini 3.1 Flash Live way more effectively in your business. It is called the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where serious people come to scale their business using AI. If you are running a business and you want to get more customers, save serious time, and actually use AI automation in a way that works, this is the place. We have got everything set up so you can plug AI tools like Gemini directly into your workflow and start seeing results fast. Link is in the description.